If you want to be productive, you have to do what you like. Otherwise, you can't. You will be able to do it for a month, 2 months, but then you burst and you can't. So define your goals, define your objectives, know the path you're taking before you start the journey. I don't care what you want to do in life. Mechanic, doctor, you wanna make hot dogs, I don't care. Soccer player, just choose what you like and put effort on it to be the best at it. And you will succeed. Because a good mechanic makes a lot of money. If you make the best hot dogs, you'll make a lot of money. If you're a brilliant surgeon, you'll make a lot of money. So I don't care what you do. Just select, identify what you're good at, identify what gives you pleasure, because if it doesn't give you pleasure, I doubt that you will ever be very good at it, and then focus on that, and that's your life path.